Hi everyone, let's learn a song together by ear. This is a user request from the Metro Last Night video game. It's called Heart in a Bottle. This user submitted a few requests. They seem to be short. Let's listen to them and figure them out by ear. Let's have a listen. I'll try and do a running dialogue as I'm figuring it out. The song's in A minor, right? Ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-da-ba-ba. I was just trying to play along to it. My accordion's out of tune. Let's figure it out. So it went time like... Right, something like that. So if A minors are 1, we go 4 minor to 1 minor to 5 to 1 minor major to 4 minor to 1 minor to 5 minor to the 1. Just going to play that part again to figure out the right hand. The ending's a bit different. Right, different ending. Ending. Cool, eh? Da 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 da. Now let's keep listening. Oh, beautiful changes. Right, it does that cool. So what are we doing there? We're going A minor, G, C minor, C major, C major, A7. It's -3, right? Da, da, da. Let's keep figuring it out. So what does it do? going. Just going to the beginning to see if what I'm playing is right. So it does some cool stuff there, right? I mean, we'll cover this in the tutorial, but what it's doing is, it's a simple 1-4-5 turnaround, right? The minor 4, the D minor to A minor to E major to A minor. And so we're doing single fingered melodies. But we could do, right? But they're also doing +3. They're just completing the chord, and it's making it sound really nice. Oh, they slow it down. Anyways, I think we know where the song's going. Again, a straightforward song that's easy to play, that's easy to learn. By ear, again, applying those principles that we know. The first rule, I think, in musical principles we learned was 1-4-5 in a major, and when it's a minor 1, we do a minor 4 to a major 5 to a minor 1. Yeah, I'll do a tutorial for this song with the sheet music and the performance in the coming weeks. You'll find it on accordionlove.com. Let me know if you have any other questions. Thank you.